buy like a flipper. That doesn't mean you have to buy as cheap, because you don't. A flipper has to make their money now. You make your money over time. What that means is know your numbers. Manage like a professional. Bad landlords equal good deals for investors. Don't be one of those guys. You want to manage like a professional. There's a lot of great professional property managers out there that just charge a flat fee, and let them handle all the dirty work. You just handle the cash flow stuff. Financing. You want to know your financing situation long term. Short-term financing is pretty easy, but you need to make sure that you're getting with folks like Jennifer to understand your full long-term, how you plan, how you would fit in those type of products. Eventually, if you own enough properties, it'll make it harder for Jennifer to finance you, but there are local banks that can still finance you. The financing is a little different, may not be as good as what Jennifer can get you, but from a cash flow standpoint, they're just amazing. Accounting. You've got to do really, really good accounting. Don't do your own bookkeeping. That's like, the bookkeepers are worth their weight in gold. Tax CPAs worth their weight in gold. Don't do that yourself. Don't do TurboTax. Like, this is real estate. You're running a business. Get real professionals doing your finances. They will pay for themselves, I promise you. And then escrow. You've got to escrow for capital expenditures and repairs and vacancies. They will happen if you own them long enough. They will happen. Even the first two examples are the tenants. They didn't move out the entire time. I don't think they asked us for a single repair, because we did a good job. But when they moved out so we could get it ready for sale, well, that time period that it was vacant, it still had a mortgage due, and we had some money in the account to pay for that. So, and then lastly, reinvest. You don't just go blow all the money on a new Range Rover upgrade, like this huge mansion, or I don't know, Bentley. Treat yourself, enjoy it. We bought a nice, it's like a $1,500 coffee machine on the first one, and then we reinvested the rest. So treat yourself. I think some other times we just went on really, really nice dinners. Make it fun. Treat yourself, keep it interesting, but ultimately reinvest, because the more you reinvest, the more it grows. If you pull everything out, it's just hard to grow.